do. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. It always gives me a bit of jitters whenever I'm invited to perform in a corporate event. That's why when Wyatt Philippines requested me to do a mini concert during their recent event, mas doble ang kabang naramdaman ko nung nalaman ko na men and women of medicine o mga doktor ang audience ko. Buti na lang we were able to rehearse the production numbers before the show.
Siyempre, every time, like ko sinasabi, pag mga corporate na event, talagang sobra ang kabako. Ang mga employees ay doktor, mga doktor, di ba?
The event is all about Wyatt's newest product line. It's the Progress Preschool Gold enhancement. She's very professional. She was really on time. So far, so good. We've seen Sarah rehearse.
Mas original or mas nauna talagang batch sila Ate Be and Ate Jelay. Sila talaga yung mga nakakasama ko sa mga most of my concerts, no, especially abroad. Kasi nga si Ate Be at si Ate Jelay, mga mommies na ngayon. Ayun, nanganak na si Ate Jelay and next naman si Ate Be. So, kahit sino naman members ng G-Force, alam mo na you're in good hands at talagang you can only expect the best from them kasi sila naman talaga yung, if not the best, diba, one of the best dance groups in the country.
Bella yung sinundan namin. Bago mag-rehearse, kinakabahan kami. Sobra. Pero nung nakasama namin siya, na konti, alam mo,
at ease naman kami na naging comfortable na kami.
Bamboo, same old Bamboo. It's very energetic even during rehearsals. And their tandem, this is the first time I've seen them sing together. So we're very excited. Everything will work out fine, everything will be great.
Very genuine ang aura niya, ang positive aura niya, ang dating niya sa mga tao. Maski ako nakaka-captivate din niya ako kapag kasama ko siya, pag nakakausap ko siya. She's right here. Brixel! This is it! So gracious she is. She took off her rollers just to honor you. Ang kumakain pa siya. She's such a sweet girl. And of course, she really has the talent. Thank you. Love you.
Si Vivo lang tayo.
Si Beyonce, hindi ko nakita na dyan siya. Okay na to. Bye-bye. See you soon. Sige.
And tonight we will witness yet another world-class icon. Ladies and gentlemen, here with us tonight is one of the country's world-class musicians. Introducing a talented young lady. She worked very hard in honing her world-class talents. Put your hands together for Miss Sara Geronimo, together with G-Force.
Siguro mas feeling blessed kami ngayon. And doble siguro yung ibibigay namin. Kasi this is different eh. It's the pop star princess Sarah. Maganda yung look kasi Beyonce did natural curly and short hair while I did glam makeup. So we paired it with the outfits. So bumagay naman.
Dun sa opening niya, pinag-gold ko siya ng tights, which is very sexy sa kanya, di ba? Pero yung top niya medyo loose lang, and then magandang katawan niya, Especially now, di ba, na talagang nagdalagang-dalaga na siya. So, it's easier for me to dress her up. Kasi nga, payat siya ngayon, di ba? Ang ganda ng damit sa kanya. Her skin tone also, ang ganda, di ba? Parang gano'n. So, bumabagay sa kanya mga damit.
Wyatt has invited around 2,000 doctors under PBS, so mga pediatrics. So different kinds of doctors na nahilig sa showbiz. The show itself, it's very straightforward naman. Kung hindi, sobrang dali lang given the talent. Actually, wala masyadong dinidirect sa kanila.
Matagal na kami perform, iba-iba talaga pag popstar, syempre. Nag-iiba siya, parang, oo, yun.
Iba yung energy na binibigay ni Sarah.
The main reason why they invited Sarah is because she is world class. Para mapakita natin sa mga doctors how we perform locally and internationally.